Welcome back. Today we're looking at the best electric cooktops in 2026 that you can buy right now. From fast-heating induction cooktops to affordable radiant glasstop models, these options offer great performance, easy cleaning, and modern kitchen features. Let's find the best one for your kitchen. Starting at number 1. BIGoods Induction Cooktop. The BIGoods Induction Cooktop features 5 heating elements and operates on a corded electric power source, utilizing electric fuel for efficient cooking. Its sleek design incorporates a glass ceramic surface, making it both stylish and functional, with dimensions of 21-inch x36 x 2.72 This cooktop is equipped with several special features, including a bridge zone design that allows users to connect 2 cooking zones for larger pans or griddles, and a booster function for rapid heating. It also includes smart pan detection to enhance energy efficiency. For everyday cooking, it offers easy preset modes such as melt, keep warm, and simmer, ensuring consistent temperatures without the need for constant monitoring. Safety is prioritized with features like residual heat indicators, auto shutdown, overheat protection, and a child lock, making it ideal for families and multitasking cooks. The included components comprise the cooktop itself and a user manual, providing everything needed for a seamless cooking experience. Number 2. Cooksir 36-inch Electric Cooktop. The Cooksir 36-inch electric cooktop is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that combines a cooktop and downdraft ventilation into a single, space-saving unit. With 4 heating elements and a total power output of 7400 W, it is designed to handle a variety of cooking tasks, from rapidly boiling water to high-heat searing. The cooktop features a unique burner setup, including a large bridge barbecue griddle for cooking multiple items simultaneously and a dual-ring burner that allows for adjustable heating areas based on cookware size. Its sleek design eliminates the need for a bulky overhead range hood, freeing up vertical space in the kitchen. Additional features include adjustable temperature settings, a digital display, hot surface indicators, safety locks, and a timer, all set within a durable tempered glass surface. The product dimensions are 35.43-inch x 20.47 x 7.87 making it a practical choice for modern kitchens. Number 3. Nuwave Pro Chef Induction Cooktop. The Nuwave Pro Chef is an induction cooktop featuring a sleek black ceramic glass design, measuring 11.4 inches in diameter, 14.2 inches in width, and 2.4 inches in height. Operating at 1800 watts and 120 volts, it offers a touch control type for easy adjustments. This cooktop stands out with its ability to make on-the-fly temperature adjustments, allowing users to increase heat or extend cooking time without starting over. It boasts 94 pre-programmed temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments, enabling precise control for various cooking needs, from keeping sauces warm to grilling steaks. Additionally, the Nuwave Pro Chef is NSF certified, confirming its durability and safety standards, and is built with high-quality materials suitable for both home and professional kitchens, ensuring consistent culinary results. Number 4. GASLAND Electric Cooktop. The GASLAND 36-inch electric cooktop is a powerful and versatile cooking appliance designed for built-in installation, featuring 5 burners with a total output of 9200 W, allowing for efficient cooking of multiple dishes simultaneously. It boasts an impressive array of features, including ETL and FCC certification for safety, adjustable temperature settings, automatic shutoff, a hot surface indicator, a safety lock, and a timer for each cooking zone. The cooktop is made from tempered glass and metal, ensuring durability and easy cleaning. With the ability to sync elements and utilize a triple-ring burner that delivers up to 3600 W, it accommodates various pan sizes and cooking styles. The intuitive slider touch control with a clear LED display simplifies power level adjustments, while the independent timers and safety protections provide peace of mind during family cooking. Additionally, this cooktop is compatible with all types of cookware, including stainless steel, cast iron, aluminum, copper, and non-magnetic pans, offering 70% heat transfer efficiency to enhance cooking speed and convenience in the kitchen. Number 5. Frigidaire Professional 36-inch. The Frigidaire Professional 36-inch smooth top electric cooktop features a sleek stainless steel trim and a black ceramic glass surface, designed to enhance any kitchen's aesthetic. It is equipped with 5 heating elements, including a versatile right front 9-inch, 12-element offering power options of 1, 800W and 3, 000W, as well as 3 additional 7 elements, each providing 1, 800W of power. This cooktop operates on a corded electric power source and utilizes electric fuel type, ensuring efficient cooking performance. The special Space Pro bridge element adds flexibility for larger cookware. Constructed from durable ceramic materials, the product dimensions are 21.5 inches deep, 36.5 inches wide, and 5 inches high, making it a practical choice for any culinary enthusiast. That's it for today's video. All product links are available in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen tech and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.